Looking for the best tongue drum in 2026? In this video, we review the top steel tongue drums perfect for meditation, relaxation, yoga, music therapy, and beginners. We compare sound quality, build design, portability, tuning accuracy, and overall value to help you choose the right instrument. Whether you want calming melodies or a unique musical experience, these tongue drums deliver beautiful, relaxing sounds for every music lover and creative player today. Number 3. The Aliexpress Rain Drum Steel Tongue Drum is a relaxing and visually appealing percussion instrument designed for meditation, yoga, sound therapy, and casual musical enjoyment. Featuring a 12-inch design with 15 notes in the standard C key, this tongue drum offers a wide tonal range that allows both beginners and experienced players to perform a variety of melodies with ease. Crafted from durable carbon steel, the drum produces soft, ethereal tones with long-lasting resonance that feels calming and immersive. The hollow drum cavity amplifies vibrations beautifully, creating soothing sounds perfect for stress relief, mindfulness sessions, prenatal education, or peaceful outdoor gatherings. Many users instantly fall in love with the relaxing sound and enjoyable playing experience. The drum also stands out visually with its charming bear-patterned center tongue and attractive green finish. The environmentally friendly paint coating resists fading while giving the instrument a polished appearance suitable for indoor decor or outdoor garden spaces. This set includes a generous collection of accessories, making it beginner-friendly right out of the box. Along with the drum, users receive 2 mallets, finger sleeves, note stickers, a drumstick holder, music book, and a soft carrying bag with shoulder strap for easy transport and storage. Customers especially appreciate the quality of the included carrying case and the surprisingly sturdy construction. Whether used for relaxation, musical creativity, or thoughtful gifting, the Aliexpress Rain Drum offers beautiful sound, attractive craftsmanship, and excellent value for adults and children alike in 2026. Number 2. The Hopwell 13-inch steel tongue drum is a beautifully designed percussion instrument that combines relaxing sound quality with beginner-friendly playability. Featuring 15 notes in D major, this handpan-style drum offers a wider tonal range than many standard tongue drums, making it capable of playing more complete melodies and complex musical arrangements while still being easy for beginners to enjoy. One of the standout qualities of this instrument is its soothing and melodic tone. The sound is clear, warm, and calming, creating a peaceful atmosphere perfect for meditation, yoga, relaxation, sound healing, or casual music sessions. Many users mention how difficult it is to stop playing once they start because the tones feel so immersive and therapeutic. Crafted from high-quality steel and titanium, the drum feels sturdy and well-made while maintaining an attractive finish that resists fading over time. The handcrafted design gives it a premium appearance, and the compact 13-inch size makes it portable enough for both indoor and outdoor use. The included accessories make this set especially appealing for first-time players. It comes with a music book, mallets, carrying case, and strap, allowing users to begin playing immediately without purchasing additional equipment. Even people with no musical background can quickly create beautiful sounds thanks to the intuitive note layout and accurate tuning. Whether used for mindfulness practices, creative expression, or simply relaxing after a busy day, the Hopwell steel tongue drum delivers excellent sound quality, thoughtful accessories, and great value for musicians and beginners alike in 2026. Number 1. The Panda Drum Pro Steel Tongue Drum is a beautifully crafted musical instrument designed to create calming, meditative sound experiences for both beginners and experienced players. Tuned to 432 Hz, this 15-inch steel tongue drum produces soft, ethereal tones that are perfect for relaxation, yoga, meditation, mindfulness practices, and casual musical exploration. One of the most impressive aspects of the Panda Drum Pro is its soothing sound quality. The carefully tuned notes create deep, resonant tones similar to a handpan, chimes, or marimba, offering a peaceful atmosphere almost instantly. Users consistently praise the instrument's rich tone and relaxing effect, making it ideal for stress relief, therapy sessions, classrooms, or simply unwinding after a long day. The drum is constructed from high-quality alloy steel with a durable protective coating, giving it a solid, premium feel while ensuring long-lasting performance indoors and outdoors. Despite its portability, the instrument has a satisfying weight and sturdy build quality that exceeds many expectations. The included accessories add excellent value, especially for beginners. The package comes with a music book, finger picks, mallets, and a carrying bag, making it easy to start playing immediately. Learning feels intuitive, even for children or first-time musicians. Whether used for personal relaxation, creative expression, or sound healing, the Panda Drum Pro delivers a beautiful and immersive musical experience. With its elegant design, calming tones, and complete accessory kit, it's an outstanding gift and a wonderful instrument for all ages in 2026. Thanks for watching our Best Tongue Drums Review 2026. Musical note: we hope this guide helped you find the perfect steel tongue drum for relaxation, meditation, yoga, or musical creativity. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more honest instrument reviews and buying guides. Let us know in the comments which tongue drum was your favorite. See you in the next review video, and keep making relaxing music.